If you think a day is gonna come when MrBeast views are gonna start declining, I'm sorry to tell you that is not gonna happen. His team is using some tricks that will make them to continue to go viral, and even if they continue to be in this game, even in the next 10 years, his videos are still gonna be doing minimum of 100 million views every single time because of the strategy and trick they're using to craft their videos every single time. Made my research and concluded them into 10 different points that I'm going to share with you on this video. Okay, this is MrBeast viral trick you can apply on your video today. Number one on our list is ideas must fit in one sentence. So if it takes 2 sentences, it's too complex. MrBeast's viral trick is that his ideas must fit in one sentence. I survived 7 days buried. Not too complex. One sentence and we are good. Another one there on my list is thumbnail first, video second. So he designs the clicks before filming. This is another part, something that I actually do. This is actually a habit of mine too. I'm even surprised to actually discover that MrBeast also does this same thing. So he tries to get the thumbnail first before they start filming, because sometimes getting the thumbnail first helps you understand what the whole thing is going to be like. It helps you understand the visual capacity of the video you're trying to make or film. So if you design your thumbnail first before trying to design your video, or before trying to film your videos, it's going to help you understand some angles, and even help you understand some things you can actually add on your video to make it good. And if your thumbnail is so good and so promising, well structured, well designed, highly premium, so that is going to raise the bar for your video. That is going to help you know that, okay, for me to give the audience what they're expecting from this kind of premium thumbnail, that means I need to raise the stakes. I need to make sure that this video is so good. Just like me, I design my thumbnails every single time before shooting any video. This video right now, before I clicked record, I designed the thumbnail before shooting. That is what I've been doing for years. I've always been doing this. Even when I was working with other people, other creators, I always design their thumbnails before helping them move into creating the content itself, because it helps me see the whole story in one sentence, in one graph, in one image. Once the thumbnail is ready, I can see everything, all my ideas coming together in one particular frame. That is why it's very important, it's very necessary. The third thing on my list, okay, is build videos around moments. Okay, this is something that MrBeast team uses to get viral videos every single time. They build videos around moments, okay? They plan multiple viral moments inside one video. Like in one video, a guy actually betrayed someone that everyone that was watching was trying to help. Everyone wanted the woman to win. Everyone wanted the woman because the woman had some family debts and some things, and everyone loved the lady and everyone wanted the lady to actually walk out of there with something. But the guy actually tricked the woman and she was eliminated from the video, from the challenge to say. That is a very nice moment in that video, and it's a viral moment inside that video, because that video, people started clipping that video, people started sharing it, and it actually sparked a whole lot of comments in the comment section. So that is to tell you that it's actually a moment that people picked up. MrBeast team knows how to do this very well. Another thing on my list is escalation structure. Every few minutes, stakes increases. In one video, MrBeast started the video with $250,000 stake from the challenge. Now, when the challenge started getting crazier, nobody wants to get eliminated, people start doing some crazy things, he increased the stake. He took the prize pool from $250,000 to $500,000, making it more intense. And after increasing the amount, which is the prize pool, he also increased the stake of the dangers and the challenge itself. The challenge went from being a little bit easier to pro level challenge, and hold retention and make the videos the greatest videos of all time. Money equals storytelling too. MrBeast uses this. Every single MrBeast video has to do with winning money, winning a car, winning a house, winning something. You have to win something, and 90% it's always prize pool cash, $250,000 $500,000, $10,000, $1 million, $5 million. Crazy. Even in Beast game, he actually had to give out the biggest amount given out on a live show, $10 million. He used money as a storytelling tool, and this means cash is used as visual motivator. When you see 5 people competing for $200,000, you actually want to know who actually walk out with that kind of amount of money. So because of that, creates curiosity, creates questions people want to know, and because of that, people are motivated to watch that video to know who went home with that $1 million and how they will react, how it's going to impact their family, the story behind it, and everything that helped them to win it. If it was a fair game or if it was rigged or anything. That is another powerful strategy that MrBeast team uses to go viral on their videos every single time. I hope you're learning something. Another one is remove slow parts ruthlessly. If attention dips, it gets cut. So if the thing is taking more time, delete it, remove it out from the video. If you watch MrBeast closely from his interviews and from some podcast shows, you see that he will always explain that sometimes they end up making a video and they don't post it, they just delete the video, they just scrap it out. Because you see that at the end of the video, at the end of shooting the whole video, you see that this video is not worth it. It's not something, it's not valuable enough. It's not standard, it's not up to MrBeast's standard of video, because he wants to make the greatest videos of all time, and we can all agree that he's doing it. So sometimes also he makes videos and there are some parts in the video that is too slow, was too long. You don't need those parts in this video. You just have to cut it out and make it clean and good. Another important thing in MrBeast videos is create shareable scenes. And this is scenes people want to send to friends. Create shareable scenes. Create scenes that people want to share to friends, that people want to turn to memes, that people want to share to someone they love, that people want to share to someone that will make someone happy, smile, or surprise or shock. Another point is reward viewer curiosity repeatedly. Constant mini payoff throughout the video. MrBeast does this very well. For example, the video he was buried for 7 days. People know that, okay, the video started with I was buried for 7 days. Now in the video you see him buried, you see that the pens is walking through, you see his friends visiting him. Sometimes they come, they make jokes with him, they make fun of him and all that. That helps to reward the viewer. The viewer is seeing the pains that he's going through. You see him struggling to eat, struggling to sleep, struggling to pee, struggling to do a lot of things. You can see the pain in his face on that video. All those things helps you to be able to reward the viewer, because the viewer is curious. They want to know what is going on. They want to know how this person survived this. They want to know the pain that this person felt. Now, when you reward them by showing some of these things, those angles and different other parts from the video, dropping values. For example, I told you that you're going to learn some some tricks that MrBeast team used to go viral on YouTube. Now I'm giving you the points, straight to the point, no bluff. Examples, I'm sharing it here, you're learning it and giving it to you. So that is what we mean by reward viewer curiosity repeatedly in the video. Even though you're going to have fun with the video, you're going to do a whole lot of things, but make sure that you reward the viewer for their time. Make sure that the video feels good, that they are getting the value of what you promised them. That is what we mean by this. Make sure your viewers are getting the value of what you promised. You don't want to tell people that you want to teach them how to go viral on YouTube and you start talking about other things. You start talking about a funeral or something else completely from out of the subject. You need to make sure that at the end of the video, you give them valuable tools, valuable ideas that they can use. Make sure you give the reward for your video. Another thing is big ending payoff. Ending must feel worth the click. Just like I remember one of the videos that MrBeast did that someone lost, I think around 100 or something pounds. I think it was 90 days. Yeah, I think it was 90 days. The guy is one of their team right now, but that was how he got into the MrBeast team. So that video had a very big payoff. That is just a perfect idea of a video with a very big payoff. Because you see at the end of the video, the guy actually lost 100 pounds and he actually won the $500,000 that MrBeast promised him. So it's now worth the click. You see that, okay, you actually got the value of your click. It's now worth waiting. So all the minutes, all the hours, and all the time you spend watching the video is not something like at the end of the day, the guy did not even lose any weight and he didn't even win the money, you'll be pissed off. So make sure that at the end of your video, people can actually walk away with what they were promised with. So the last thing on this list is packaging is everything. And MrBeast team does this perfectly. Already make a very well detailed video on how they come up and design their thumbnails, or how they craft their titles, how they craft their hook. Already made 3 different videos on these different topics, each one explaining it very well. MrBeast team knows how to pair thumbnail, title, hook. It will just be good. And what you need to know is that your thumbnail, your title, and your hook decide 80% of the success of your video. That is just it. The way your thumbnail is designed, the way your title is crafted, the way your hook is crafted, decide if the viewer will stay and watch at least 50% of the video. And it also determines and decides 80% of your video success. So you need to make sure that you pay attention to these things. And if you want to know the things that is necessary and how MrBeast team designs the best hook, the best title, the best thumbnail, I already have 3 videos explaining each of these things well detailed based on MrBeast style. Okay, I'm not explaining something from my own style, but I'm explaining how they do it. You can see these videos on the description of this video, or you can see it on my channel. It's there. You can go and watch it well detailed. These are the things that MrBeast team uses to always get 100 millions of views every single time on their video. I'm so grateful, and I know that this video has been long. I wish and I hope that you got some value from it. And if you want to continue to learn how to do better, the things that you can try on every single time, and how to be one of the best creators out there and crush the game on YouTube and do well, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'll also be doing a whole lot of other videos on ideas and different things that I've studied and researched based on MrBeast team and different other big channels out there that are doing well, and how it can help you, how you can use it, the things you need to do to continue to make your content work for you and enjoy it. Like I said, and like I always say in my videos, as a creator, I know you put in a whole lot of time to make these things work. So it will not be so good that you put in all this work and at the end of the day, your videos flops. So that is why I'm putting in all the time, hours and days and weeks and months to research these big channels, watch every of their videos, take time to study them, and come up with these ideas and strategies for you, summarized in a way that you will understand it and apply it on your own channel. Thank you so much for paying attention. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you got some value, don't forget to drop a like and drop your comments. And if you have questions and other things you want me to make videos on, you can drop it in the comment section. And I love you guys. Good luck.